get more TikTok views. Hello guys, this is your channel Chukumbra. I'm gonna show you the trick you can use to get more TikTok views. Every submit you get 1k views. As you see, I'm showing you my profile. At my profile have two posts. On that post, one of the posts have more views and the others with 0 views. I'm gonna show you the trick I have got that views. Yes, as you see my video, I posted it right now. As you see, it is the post I have reposted it right now. Okay, let's copy the link of the post. After copy the link of the post, what is the next is to go within my browser. As you have your browser like a Chrome and the other browser like Phoenix. I prefer to use Chrome. Okay, you have to search for this keyword I'm gonna show you. You have to search for wifuza.com. Okay, as you see displayed down, wifuza.com. Okay, and search. After searching, wait for the result, what will come from your search. Okay, will take a few moments. Okay, as you see, it has come. Okay, we have to put those codes we have given to verify whether I'm not a robot. Okay, let's check. For this protection, you have to do this. Okay, remember to subscribe, like this video if you get it more interactive for you. If you get it, okay, as you see, the app, this website have more options to give you views, followers, and the likes for TikTok, and shares more for you. But for me, I have preferred to show you the views. And there you scroll down. After scrolling down, okay, paste the link that I have copied there on TikTok. As you see, I showed it here on TikTok. Okay, let me paste the link. Okay, after paste the link, let's search. Okay, after search, there is a counting down of minutes. 2 minutes will count down. Let's give you the trick for this. You need to wait about this minute till the end. If you don't wait for this minute, you'll get less. You have to wait these 2 minutes. 2 minutes is not too high. You have to wait for it. Okay, we have to wait about these 2 minutes, and after it, we'll get the trick.
A few moments later.
Okay, as you see, ready for submit, and search again. If you get next, ready, submit. Okay, click on the button that will come down. Okay. Okay, after clicking on the button, as you see, successfully 1000 have sent. Okay, 1000 views have sent to our post. They say 1000 views, but it is 1080 views. Okay, let's return back on our TikTok. Let's check. Okay, as we are currently still having 0, and let's refresh. Okay, after refreshing, as you see, we have 1080 views. If you need to get more others, let's return back on our browser. Let's wait for these 2 minutes. Okay, when the minute is gone, search again and click on the button that will come down, and then you see successful 1000 views sent. Okay, let's return back to our TikTok to check whether the views have sent. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, as you see, the views have sent. Please subscribe our YouTube channel if you get the trick is more supportive for you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe us. For everyone who have subscribed us, God bless you. Have a good day. Bye bye.